Hi, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. We're going to do another battle box. And as always, Battlbox send this to the channel. I don't pay for this. I don't do none of that. They just send it here and I actually show it to you guys. This is going to be mission 101. And we've been doing this for a really long time. So let's take a look what comes in the box. Like I said, you could go to Battlbox and see some of the subscriptions. They have an advanced, they have a basic, they have a knife of the month. So they have a bunch of different ones. Each one is going to be different in money. Putting my old man glasses on from the Doorless store. And let's go ahead and hit here the basic. The first thing is going to be some After Bite Natural. This thing right there, let's take a closer look. So it says After Bite, and obviously if you get a bit or something like that, this is going to be something that you could put in there. So I'm going to give you a closer look. I'm actually going to open it up so you can kind of see the inside as well. Obviously, this is the kind of stuff that you put in some kind of bag, you know, go camping or something like that. You see it right there, all natural. And let's open it up just to look in the inside. And this is kind of what you got right there. Okay, so the next item we're going to have is going to be this module system right here, this strap right here, which essentially is going to be this right here, right? And you got a few of them, different lengths as well, as you can see here. And obviously you can use this to tie up different things. And just to demonstrate, obviously you have this right here, and as you can see, it kind of snaps right there. So you can use this module straps for whatever you need, obviously. And the last thing we're going to have in the basic box is going to be this body armor pack vent. And it's kind of cool because we do have a backpack in this month. But again, it's going to be this right here. You can kind of see it in here. It feels a little bit like rubbery. Again, I don't have too much experience using this kind of stuff, but if you have, definitely put some comments down below. Let me know what you think. All right, we're going to jump into the next one. It's going to be the advanced box. And we're going to have a hatchet right here. Pretty much self-explanatory. Kind of small. So it's kind of cool, right? Easy to put anywhere or something like that. It's going to be a compact hatchet, Balta, rugged fire can building tool. So again, not only that, but it's some type of building tool. You can see it right here. So again, that's what you're going to have here in the advanced box. And jumping here into the pro box, I'm actually excited about this because it's going to be a backpack. And I was in the need of a backpack. I do like the color for this one. It feels good. It feels actually kind of heavy. It feels rugged. But again, this is kind of what you have right here. It's going to be a nice backpack. And again, you know, always backpacks are always cool. So you can kind of see it right here. If you go to the Battlebox videos that they made, they do a really good job showing you all this stuff. But again, it looks like a pretty decent backpack. I was in need of one, like I said. I'm actually kind of excited about that. And that's going to be in the Pro box. And in the knife of the month, we're going to have two different things from Kershaw right here. The first thing that we're going to have is going to be the Kershaw Leak. And this knife is actually pretty interesting because as you see it right here, the blade won't come out, right? So I was just kind of looking at it and seeing what was the deal. It looks like it has a little safety right here. So you push this to the back and let's see if it opens out. Boom, there it is. It's actually deployed really nice. Look at this knife right here. Good looking knife, pretty elegant if you ask me. It looks like it's a frame lock knife. It looks like you could change the clip right here, tip down, tip up, and only one direction. So on this side, right? You see the little safety right there. Look at the blade right there. It looks very nice. Let me give you a closer look right here. We're going to close it. Obviously, frame lock, like I said. Put it out of the way. Press it again. And wow, that comes out really nice. I actually like this a lot. I think it's a pretty cool knife, really elegant, and it just looks like a really decent knife, right? It's gonna have an overall length of 7 inches. Blade length is gonna be 3 inches. The handle is gonna be about 4 inches, and it's made out of 14C 28N steel. So that should give you some of the specs right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the box and take a look at this second item right here, which is gonna be a Kershaw TX tool. I don't know what that means. I've never seen this in my life, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Opens up right there, and this is kind of what you got. It looks like a pen to me, right? Has like a saying, you know, look of a pen. Let's kind of open it up. It feels like it's something in the inside. And all right, we got a couple bits in here. You can see right here. So obviously that, give you a quick look right here. Some kind of little multi-tool. Kind of sits like this, I believe. All right, so you got like a little screwdriver right there. I think it works like this. So again, definitely very cool. And this is kind of how it looks right there. All right, guys, that's about it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.